So guys, I'm here on CoinMarketCap. You can check the price of USDC, and today I'm gonna show a website that I have 100 on it, but you can make it even from 10 or to 50 or even 100. Okay, this is the okay. For example, you make this $20. So now follow me step by step to know how you can actually do it. First of all, you will need to go to your Trust Wallet and not Trust Wallet, sorry, App Store, and download the Trust Wallet for those that doesn't have Trust Wallet. But if you already have it, you don't need to download anymore. Just update or what. And you click on the link on the description. You will be ready to this page, and make sure you translate this page to English. You can find this option here. Where is it? Translate. On Google Chrome, you can find this session to translate, because from here I don't see how you can change the language. But it's just to create account, translate everything. You don't miss the way to make money without understand. And when you get in, you will have the option to choose your language. Okay, so translate it just to create account, or translate the page to create account. After you complete the registration, put email address, password, and everything, you will be back. Okay, and you will be ready to this page. So here I'm on the page. I already have here 110. I'll start again because I already made 10 as a profit. So let me click here to start my earnings. Let's wait. I just went back because I forgot to show you guys a very important thing, because you guys don't talk Portuguese. So you will click here, you see, then you will make a zoom, or you don't need it, just make a zoom for you, and then you can exchange these arrows to change language. When you click here, language will change to Portuguese. When you click again to Spanish, when you click again to English. So here now I changed it to English. When you create account, normally it will be on Portuguese, so you come here and you choose the English, and you will understand everything. So let me click here again, but so then I can show you everything here. Here on farming, we have different farming. We have Kappa, we have Alpha, Beta, Zeta, and Kappa. The Kappa, I get the Kappa. The farmer I'm getting right now is Kappa. You can see it will work for me for just 15 days. Only this 1 2 3 10 15 pro, and it will give me if just 10 that I put on the farm, it will give me $15. Put a 10 to get 15. That's pretty amazing. You see guys, just that. And all that I have the normal investment. Okay, so you also have Kappa or Alpha. Hello, Alpha operator with the including market escalations, and with Alpha you can have 130 in 30 days. With Beta you can have 160 in 45 days, and with Zeta you can have 200% in 60 days. Okay. and the kappa that I joined, the minimum amount is just 22 and the maximum is $20. Okay, and have 150 in 15 days. So you can choose which one you feel good to start on it. I choose it kappa with 10 grand. So let me go back. So we will pay attention on this back again on kappa, because kappa is the one that I joined with just $10 and have $15. Look at this, just come in and read. Hello, I'm me, kappa ball, earnings with 150%. You can check how many days. Hours, okay, from just $2. My friend, thank me for this. And to earn more, so to put them in, you can see the normal, the standard, it's here. So let me go back and let's click here if you want to put someone in, and you click here on second button, put them in. We have a icon BEP20 USDT, which was BEP20 USDT. Then you put an amount, for example 100. You can do the same I did, put a 110, 100 for normal, and 10 for that one that give you. Okay, let me put the one on. And you can see I need to deposit exactly. So you copy the wallet address, go to your trust wallet and put them in. After this, you can confirm, and when you confirm, you will see your top up amount here, and it will start automatically generating profit for you. So we have standard and farming. On standard, I put the maximum amount. If you click pay now, it will appear another one. You can see this one, it's working for me. It's paid, it's generating profit, and I can do every time. That is pretty and literally amazing. To earn more, just click here again and click on network. Copy this link, share if you find any commission. Also, if you want something to PDFs to read and take know more about platform, you can come here. So thank you for, I see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.